So we just received a return back from a customer who says that the box of pennies that we sent him was previously searched, and since we don't sell boxes like that, we're gonna just open it live on the camera and see what he's returned back to us. What should be in this box is a banker's box of pennies. Should look something like this, regardless of the seal or no seal. Inside should be 50 rolls of pennies. This is also an unsearched box. Just looks like 50 rolls of pennies at random. So we're hoping to find something like this in this box here. So now we're gonna open the parcel as returned to us today. It's not been opened. You can see the tag is intact and it's all taped shut. So we're gonna open that right now and see what the customer has sent back to us. So it looks like he's done some effort to put a box back into there with some inadequate packaging, and this box has now been smashed and destroyed by the shipping process. So we have loose random pennies just everywhere. The box itself is still sealed as we had shipped it to him without any of this stuff on him. So I don't know if he tried to tape it with some tape and send it back to us, or what he's tried to do, but this looks like the original tape, and he just decided he didn't want it for any reason and just sent it back to us. So I'll just cut this open and take a look what else is inside there. So this is just a bunch of plastic. These ones are actually pretty easy to open. It's kind of nice to get those easy customer opens. And then it looks like maybe there's the right amount of pennies in here. We're just gonna have to, finish breaking it open and get a count on that to see that he sent us back the right amount of pennies. At a quick glance, it looks like there's 50 rolls. In addition, every box that we send out has 3 sort of bonus coins that we just put onto here, like an uncirculated 2012, an uncirculated 1964, or something like this in flips, and usually a nice King 5, which is very old pennies, early 30s and 20s, just at random. So he helped himself to those sort of bonus coins that we put in, and it just threw it back in the parcel and had us pay for the shipping back. So that's what we're not super happy about what I see inside the box as a return. I'll just upload that video and see what is the result.